Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Windows Server 2025 on Hyper-V virtual machine. So let's first download Windows Server 2025 preview version from Microsoft. To do that, let's go to Edge browser and type Windows Server 2025 download. And go to this first link, click on download. And they should download the Windows Server 2025 on your local machine. To save the time, I have already downloaded this ISO on my desktop on the softwares folder. Let's proceed further and go to Hyper-V Manager and create a new VM. To do that, let's go to New, select Virtual Machine. We will name this VM as Win Server 2025 and select Next. Select the generation 2 and select Next. We will add 2 GB of RAM for this VM and unselect dynamic memory for this and select Next. Let's add Ethernet adapter and select Next. Select Next again and add the ISO which is downloaded from internet and select Next. Review the settings and click on Finish. Once the VM is created, let's connect to the VM and click on Start. Type any key on the keyboard to start the installation. So this is the new Windows Server 2025 installation window. As we downloaded English US version, we only have one language, and in the time and currency format, let's go to English India and select that. Click on Next. I'm fine with English India keyboard. Let's click on Next. As we are installing the Windows Server and not repairing the server, we will leave this option as is and select I agree. Everything will be deleted because there is actually no files on this particular hard disk as of now. So let's click Next. We will select Windows Server 2025 standard evaluation with desktop experience and select Next. Read the license and terms and select Accept. As we do not want to create any partitions, we will select Next. So this window is warning us as this PC will not be available or we cannot make any changes during the installation. This is fine for now because we are installing the server on virtual machine. So let's click on Install. As you already know, this is going to take some time. So let's speed up the recording and come back once it is completed. After a few minutes and several restart, our Windows Server 2025 is successfully installed. Let's configure the password for the default administrator account and confirm the same and click Finish. Let's log into the server for the first time. In this window, it is asking us to select how much data we want to share with Microsoft for diagnostic purpose. I will only select required only because I do not want to share any data with anybody on the public. So let's click Accept. Let's select Don't Show this message again and click Close. This pretty much looks the server manager as 2022 As you can see, we have installed Windows Server 2025 standard evaluation on the Hyper-V virtual machine successfully. Let's minimize the server manager and go to Start. Go to All Apps. Let's open Terminal. This should give us the PowerShell. Let's see the version of PowerShell. They are still shipping PowerShell 5.1 on Windows Server 2025. I was expecting PowerShell 7.4 on Windows Server 2025. So let's go to Desktop and go to Personalize. As you see, the look and feel is somewhat similar to Windows 11. We will explore more on Windows Server 2025 in the future videos. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.